Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the weekly financial review on Insta TV. US stock indices rose on Friday, recovering most of the previous session's dramatic losses, which spurred bargain hunters to some action. The energy and technology sectors led the Friday gains. But even with Friday's solid gains, the benchmark indices couldn't erase negative effects of the tough week for the stock market. Most of the major indices finished the week in the red zone. The S&P 500 index closed by 0.9% higher at 1,982.854. It lost 1.4% over the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped by 1% to 17,113.19, but it experienced a weekly loss of 1%. The blue chip index moved more than 100 points in each of the 5 sessions last week. News that the US economy added 4.6% in the second quarter, showing its best performance since 2009, boosted activity on the market. But whether an accelerated pace of growth can persist next year is still unclear. The increase in gross domestic product was revised up from 4.2%, mainly due to higher exports and business investment. Gains in business investment are a good sign for the economy. Among other news, the final September reading on the University of Michigan Thomson Reuters Consumer Sentiment Index remained at the highest level since July of 2013 and well above a final August level of 82.5. Chipmaker Micron Technology was among the companies with the best performance seen last week. Its shares edged up by 6.7% after it was known the fourth quarter results topped Wall Street's estimates. Thursday, Micron Technology Incorporated posted a fiscal second quarter profit of $1.15 billion or 96 cents per share on the revenue of $4.23 billion. The year-ago profit was $806 million or 68 cents per share on $2.84 billion in sales. Meanwhile, Nike shares jumped by 12% after the athletic apparel maker reported better than expected earnings. Nike's advance added 61 points to the Dow Jones growth. On Thursday, the company said its profit rose by 23% to $962 million, or $1.09 per share. In the quarter ended on the 31st of August, from $779 million, or 86 cents per share a year earlier. Revenue increased by 15% to $7.98 billion. Analysts had anticipated profit of 88 cents a share on sales of $7.78 billion. And this concludes the weekly review of Forex and stock markets on Insta TV. See you next week. Bye.